This Swiss Diamond 7-inch frying pan is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It is a non-stick pan that makes cooking easier. Food does not stick to it, and cleanup is a breeze. The pan has a diamond coating, which makes it strong. It is made of aluminum and has a stainless steel handle. This Swiss Diamond 7-inch frying pan is also safe to put in the dishwasher. You can even use it in the oven. This frying pan is great for everyday use. You can cook many things in it, like eggs or small meals. The non-stick surface means you might not need much oil. This can be good for healthy cooking. The handle stays cool when you are cooking on the stove. The Swiss Diamond 7-inch frying pan heats up evenly. This helps your food cook better without hot spots. It feels good in your hand, and it is not too heavy to manage. For any shopper looking for a reliable small pan, this is a good choice. It combines style and usefulness. The gray color looks nice in most kitchens. It works on most cooktops, except for induction. Many users note how easy it is to clean. They also like that food cooks well without sticking. This Swiss Diamond 7-inch frying pan could become one of your favorite kitchen relations because it makes cooking simpler and faster. Pros: aluminum body, even heat, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 500 degrees F. Stainless steel handle, durable, easy to clean, metal utensil safe, ergonomic handle. PFA's free cons: hand wash recommended, small 7-inch size, aluminum body, handle can get hot, gray color only. May not be ideal for large meals. Some users report sticking over time. Warranty issues reported by some features: diamond coating, aluminum body, dishwasher safe, oven safe, steel handle, gray color, even heating, durable build. This Swiss Diamond frying pan is 7 inches and has a non-stick coating made with diamonds. It is made of aluminum and has a gray color with a stainless steel handle. The pan heats food evenly and is built to last for a long time. You can wash it in the dishwasher, and it is also safe to use in the oven. This small 7-inch gray frying pan from Swiss Diamond has an aluminum body that heats evenly and a non-stick coating that is metal utensil safe, making it durable and easy to clean. It's also safe to put in the dishwasher and oven up to 500 degrees F. And it has a stainless steel handle designed to be easy to grip. However, the small size might not be good for cooking large amounts of food, and the handle can get hot. While it is PFAS free, the company suggests washing it by hand. And some people have reported that food can stick over time and that there have been issues with the warranty.